2013 Ford Explorer, 3.5 liter, changing out the purge vent valve. So the vent valve looks like this, and it's located where the right here where the gas tank is, where the canister is. These three little tabs right here, I can show you right here. You're gonna pry this down. There's one more on the side and top. Once you get it unlocked, pull it straight out. Now I got the new one in, the hose connector, and don't forget your dust cover. Check engine lights on. I'm gonna read the code. Purge vent valve code. Should be good to go.